Hi guys, welcome to the next part of rational numbers where we are going to see mixed forms and how to write them in the form P over Q. Let's have a quick revision from the last video where we saw some numbers like 0.7 bar was on one digit, 0.75 bar where the bar was on two digits, and 3.862 where the bar was placed on three digits. We saw how to write them in the form P over Q, and these were all the simple forms. Why simple forms? Because the bar was placed on the entire decimal part. The bar was placed on the entire decimal part. So if you want to know how to write these type of non-terminating repeating numbers in the form P by Q, you can click on the I button for my last video, and you will also find the link in the description below. So let's start the first example for mixed forms where my x equals to 67.835 and the bar is placed only on two digits. You can see the bar is not on the entire decimal part, therefore this is mixed form. So to write these type of numbers in the form P by Q, we are going to follow the same easiest method as we were following for simple forms, where we are going to make our recurring part after decimal exactly the same. For equation 1 and equation 2, it should be exactly the same. So let's first observe the decimal part of x. It's 835, 35, 35 and so on. You can see 35 is repeated infinite times. Let's shift 8 to the other side. And for that, to shift your decimal one place to the right, I'm going to multiply equation with a 10, and 10x will be equal to 678.3535 and so on. So let's put it as equation number 1. Now I want my equation number 2, and for equation number 2 also I told you your recurring part must be the same. So to make the decimal part exactly the same, we need to move our decimal how many digits? 2 digits to the right. So I need to move my decimal 2 places to the right so that it starts from 3 again. So let's multiply equation 1 with a 1 and 2 zeros. That is 100. 10 multiplied by 100 will give you 1000x equals to, shift your decimal 2 places to the right, it will be 67835.3535 and so on. So you can see the decimal part now is exactly matching with equation 1. So let's put it as equation number 2. Now the same steps again as we were doing for the simple forms. Let's subtract equation 1 from equation 2. On the left side you are going to get 990x equals to. On the right side you will see the decimal part will all be vanished. So you will be left with only 67,157. So x will be equal to 67157 over 990. So this becomes my P by Q form, and this is my answer. So let's quickly move to example 2 now and see how to convert this number in the form P by Q, where my x is equal to 374.2354 and the bar is only on two digits. So you can observe here that the digits 2, 3 are not repeated. Only 54 is repeated infinite times. So let's keep only the repeating part after the decimal. So for that, my decimal should move 2 places to the right. So for shifting 2 places, I need to multiply the equation with 100. So let's multiply it with 100. So you will get 100x equals to 37423.5454 and so on. Let's put it as equation number 1. Now to get equation number 2, again I need to shift my decimal how many places to the right? 2 places, so that it starts again from 5 and your decimal part is exactly the same as equation number 1. So let's multiply equation 1 with again 100 and you will get 10,000x on the left side, and on the right side shift your decimal 2 places to the right. You will get 3742354.5454 and so on. This becomes your equation number 2. Let's subtract equation 1 from equation 2. So you can observe that the recurring part after decimal is all the same, so it will be vanished. On the left side I will get 9900x, on the right side you will get 3704931, and therefore x will be equal to 3704931 over 9900. So this becomes my P by Q form, and this is my answer. So you have learned now how to write mixed forms and simple forms for these non-terminating and repeating numbers in the form P over Q. So the concept of rational number ends here, but wait. We have something else. As I already mentioned in my last video, I'm going to give you a short trick for writing the non-terminating and repeating numbers in the form P by Q, where you don't need to work on these two equations and you can directly get your answer in just 3 seconds. So for that, make sure you watch out the next video. Till then, stay tuned and see you next time.